Welcome to the video, guys. It's been a while since I last uploaded anything, but we've just received this in the post. It's the Cigman CD-60 laser distance meter. I want to stress though, they've sent me this. They reached out to me and asked if I'd like to have a look, but they've not told me what to include in the video or what to say, so it's completely my own opinion. What I'm going to do though is make two videos. So today we're going to unbox it and have a quick look, and then I'm going to go off, use it and get a bit more information, know what I'm doing, and then do more of an in-depth review and all the features and things like that. On the back then, it says it's a two-way laser, so you can obviously measure from both ends. Max measuring range of 120 meters. And on the front, on the little picture there, it says like 60 meters, and it's got a point either way, so I'm assuming it can do 60 one way, 60 the other. It's got a built-in battery, so obviously it's rechargeable. It's got an electric horizontal bubble, which I've never used before, so I don't know how accurate they are. Magnetic suction function and a 360-degree rotating screen. So I'm going to open it up now and have a look. Right, let's open it up and have a look, shall we? So first things first, it comes with a little case, and that's actually all that's in the box itself. So let's hope we've got a little bit more in here. It's quite a hard case, not rock hard, but it's got the protective corners, nice strap. So the case itself is now open. We've got a little manual here. Always keep hold of these, especially products like this are usually very complicated if you don't know what you're doing, which I don't, so I'll have to have a good read through that. I've looked quickly on YouTube and stuff and seen some little brief features of this. Got the measurer itself and a power cable. Comes in a little protective bag, and the laser itself's got another strap. So to turn it on, I believe we hold the blue button. There we go. And then you see this arrow here, that's showing at the minute it's measuring from both sides. So you've got your laser at the top and the laser at the bottom. So it's measuring from both sides at the minute. So if we just press the button, in front of me you won't be able to see it. I can put my hand here, I can show you. I've got the laser poking out, and then I've also got one coming towards myself. If we press it, it's took the measurement. We're upside down at the minute, which doesn't help. There we go. So it also shows you which direction. So we've got 0.862 forwards, 0.172 backwards, and then a total of 1 meter, 0.034. We can clear that. We can change. So I'm just trying to focus this a little bit better for you. Not really wanting to. No, it's not really liking it, but if we hold this button here, we can change the units. So we're still in meters, it's just not as accurate now, so let's just change that as well. Press this button once to change the direction, so that's just measuring towards myself this way. Press it again, that's going that way, which is what we'll do. So I've got the laser in front of me again, press it once more, and it's 0.95. So if we just go back again, clear that. Oops, keep it going forward, sorry, and hold that. I'm going to cycle through, so I've got inches, again inches, can't actually read that myself, inches again, feet. Right, so the more accurate meters, if we go again, so that's 0.961, if we try and keep it in the roughly the same area, hold it, 0.96. So as you see, it's just a little bit more accurate if you keep it on the other setting. We've got the horizontal bubble here. See whether we're level or not. Don't know how accurate that is. Everything else though I'm going to have a little play with, to be honest, but it's a nice looking little level. We've got the angles here as well, not sure if you can really pick that up all that well. Got the battery indicator as well, top right. So what I'll do, I'll go off and I'll try and get some use out of this. Do a bit more of an in-depth video for you guys. Any questions though, things you want covering, pop it in the comments, I'll try and get it in the video.